It says Mason's first crawl across the front room. Look at him go. Oh, and we gotta take a rest.
Cookie Monster, hungry for letters. Oh, Ernie, you say the letters. Okay. Me hungry for the letter W.
And straight towards the electrical outlet. Yep, he's the boy. Mason.
Me hungry for the letter W.
Come on over here.
Hi there. Let's learn some letters and words.
No.
Guess any letter.
No.
Cookie Monster, hungry for letters. Oh, Ernie.
Okay, have to go teach a lesson. Bye.
Okay.